So hi everyone, in this video we will see how to create a Numpy array, some basic characteristics of a Numpy array, and some basic operations that we can do on a Numpy array. So to begin with, we first import Numpy as np, then we create a Numpy array object np.array. We will create an array of 2 dimensions, so it's a 2D array. 4, 5, 6. Now, if I want to print the type of the array, then and when I run this, it will give me that it's a Numpy array. So we have successfully created a Numpy array. Now, if I want to print the dimension of the array, I'll say print array.end and done. Now when I run this, it will give me 2, that means 2-dimensional array. Similarly, if I want to print the shape of this array, I'll say print shape, not shape, array.shape, and then this, it says 2, 3. So this is the number of rows and this is the number of columns. And similarly, we can also print the size. So if I say print array.size, we will get the size of this array, that is 6. We can see this, it's 6, right? So now we will see some basic operations that we can do. Not here. Not here. Yeah. So suppose I want to add a number to each and every element of this array. So for that I will say print array plus, and it can be any number, 1. Suppose if I say 1, so it will add 1 to every element present. So here we can see that, right? Another operation that we can do is we can subtract a number from all the elements. array minus 1. So it will subtract 1 from all the elements from this original element. From the original array, it will subtract 1 from every element. Right? Another operation that we can see is multiplication. Print array multiplied by 2. So it will multiply by 2 to every element. Suppose we want to square every element. We will say print array, and this is what we use for power. Suppose within the square for all the elements. So here we have the square of all the elements. So this was all in this video. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.